Guys, what have I done? So, the other day, forgot my headphones when I was riding and scared myself a little bit when I hit a rail. I just totally forgot the noises snowboards make. I'm always blasting music and whatnot. And then I thought of a little idea. Maybe I can take some of my old GoPro clips, sample everything, and make an entire beat with nothing but noises from the mountain. So, with that being said, guys, I did just that. I hope you enjoy it. Hopefully. Go. Go. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the song. The link will be listed in the description on my SoundCloud. You can check it out for the full version there. I should be making it back out on the mountain tomorrow. Gave the knee 3 days of rest, so things are looking good, guys. As always, have a wonderful day.